In this video, I'm going to share 7 digital product ideas that are beginner-friendly, actionable, and proven to sell. All of these can make you money while you sleep. Stick around because I'm breaking it all down, step by step, so you can start making money online without feeling overwhelmed. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to sell your digital products to hundreds of thousands of people, click the link in the description. This will give you access to all the information you'll ever need, masterclasses, and advice from successful sellers who are making at least 6 figures a year from their digital products. Digital product idea 1. First, let's talk about something you see every day: phone and device wallpapers. It's one of the simplest ways to start selling digital products, especially if you're someone who already enjoys creating art or design. You don't need to create new art from scratch if you don't want to. If you've got artwork sitting in your portfolio or sketches you've made in the past, those could be turned into wallpapers with just a little resizing and formatting. All you need is a high-resolution image that fits common screen dimensions, like 1080 by 1920 pixels for most smartphones. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website make it easy to sell these. You upload the files once, and then it's completely hands-off. Whenever someone buys it, they get an instant download, and you get paid. It's that simple. And if you're thinking, but who's going to buy wallpapers when there are free ones everywhere? Let me tell you, people are willing to pay for something unique. If your art stands out, if it's something they can't just Google and download for free, people will pay for it. Plus, you can add value by offering themed packs, like a collection of calming nature scenes, vibrant abstract patterns, or motivational quotes. Digital product idea 2. Another beginner-friendly idea is custom app icons. If you're already creating wallpapers, you can design matching app icon sets to sell alongside them. Think about themes that might appeal to your audience: minimalist black and white, soft pastel colors, bold neon designs, or even specific aesthetics like vintage or futuristic. The trick here is to create icons for the most commonly used apps like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Spotify, and Gmail, but also leave room for customization. Some people might want specific icons for lesser-known apps, and you can offer those as part of a premium package. Selling custom app icons doesn't just stop with aesthetic appeal. It's also an opportunity to engage with your audience. If someone buys your icon pack and wants additional icons for a few apps you didn't include, you can offer to create them as an upseller bonus. Not only does this increase your income, but it also builds a relationship with your customers. And like wallpapers, you can sell these on Etsy or Gumroad. With a little marketing, you'll find that there's a big demand for personalized digital designs. Digital product idea 3 now. Let's talk about something you might not have thought about before: Twitch panels. Twitch is one of the fastest growing streaming platforms, and streamers are constantly looking for ways to make their profiles look professional and unique. Twitch panels are graphics that streamers use on their profile pages to organize information, like their About Me section, donation links, schedules, and social media handles. If you're a designer or artist, this is a perfect way to showcase your work while helping creators level up their brand. Streamers love panels that fit their personality and style, so there's a lot of room for creativity here. You can design panels with bold, colorful designs for gamers, sleek, minimal layouts for tech streamers, or cozy, hand-drawn illustrations for lifestyle streamers. And if you add a little line of text crediting yourself at the bottom of each panel, like "designed by your name," your work will get seen by their entire audience. That's free exposure every time someone visits their profile. Plus, you could offer discounted rates for streamers willing to credit you in this way, making it a win-win situation. Digital product idea 4. Another idea that's perfect for creatives is designing emotes for platforms like Discord, Twitch, and YouTube. Emotes are small, expressive images or icons that users send in chat. They're used everywhere, from gaming communities to online classrooms, and they're in high demand. The great thing about emotes is that they don't have to be overly complex. They just need to be visually clear, even at small sizes, and resonate with the audience. If you enjoy drawing characters or expressive faces, this could be a fun and profitable niche for you. Some streamers or Discord server owners might want custom emotes that represent their community's inside jokes or specific themes. You can charge for individual emotes or offer discounted bundles for customers who need several at once. Pre-made emote packs are also a great way to earn passive income. You create them once, upload them for sale, and then let the downloads roll in. Digital product idea 5. Here's an idea that's a little different but still beginner-friendly: coloring pages. At first glance, this might sound like something aimed at kids, but hear me out. There's a huge market for adult coloring pages too. Coloring has become a popular relaxation activity for adults, and there's always demand for fresh, creative designs. The best part is that coloring pages don't require complex shading or color, just black and white bright outlines that are fun to fill in. If you enjoy drawing patterns, mandalas, animals, flowers, or even quirky themes like retro designs or food illustrations, you could create unique coloring pages to sell online. Think about niches that aren't already oversaturated. For example, instead of generic mandalas, you could create intricate sci-fi themed designs or funny pop culture inspired pages. The more unique your niche, the easier it will be to stand out. Digital product idea 6. Let's also talk about digital stationery. If you've ever used a digital planner or to-do list on an app like GoodNotes or Notability, you know how convenient they can be. Digital stationery is a booming market, and it's not just limited to planners. You could create grocery lists, goal trackers, habit trackers, budget templates, meal planners, or even thank you cards. The beauty of digital stationery is that once you create a design, it's endlessly reusable. Customers download it and they can print it out or use it digitally as many times as they want. People love digital stationery because it helps them stay organized while also looking visually appealing. If you're good at creating clean, functional designs with a touch of style, this could be a great product for you. And here's a tip. Think about offering themed bundles, like a New Year goal-setting kit or a back-to-school organization pack. Bundles not only give customers more value, but they also allow you to charge a little more. Digital product idea 7. If you're into digital art, why not create custom brush sets for popular software like Procreate or Photoshop? Artists love experimenting with new tools, and brushes are one of the easiest ways to change up their workflow. If you've developed unique brush styles while working on your own art, packaging them into a set could be a great way to share your technique with others. Don't worry, you're not giving away your secrets. Brushes are just tools. They don't create the art for you, but they do give other artists the chance to explore and experiment in ways they might not have thought of before. Make sure your brush sets are high quality and include a variety of options like textured brushes, smooth lines, or fun effects. Adding a short demo video showing how the brushes work can also help boost sales. And remember to market them as an opportunity for others to learn and grow, not as a magic solution. People appreciate honesty, and if you're upfront about what your brushes can and can't do, they'll trust you more. If you have any questions about how to sell and create digital products, or if you want to learn more specific hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club school community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you, so check that out. Which of these digital product ideas are you thinking of getting started with, or have you already tried? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.